Next, we're going to talk about how to get a very particular RGB color value input into the lights. We're going to do the three-line hamburger menu again, and down here under controls, we've got RGBW sliders. Now this is a 0 to 255 value for each of the four colors. Remember, they're RGB, not RGBW, so we're not going to worry about that white channel, just the brightness and then the three colors. So we can grab that little dot and slide it along, and you'll see the numbers underneath change, and you let go, it'll apply it to the lights. So if we want a purple color, we'll just get rid of the green. Now, people always ask about where to find some of these color values. If you find like DMX color charts for DJ lighting, a lot of that's going to be pretty close. It uses a very similar system. You might have to fine tune it a little bit, but at least you'll get in the ballpark. That'll help greatly, especially if you've got very particular colors you're trying to match. If you're trying to match like a logo or something on a commercial building, this is going to be the way you're going to do that. You can get fairly close just by moving the slider with your finger, but you can also use the plus and minus buttons on there to increment things by 1. And just like the other colors button, we can use the color swatches at the bottom. Here, if we recall a color, it'll bring it back up on the screen when we hit apply, so it'll show us what that color value is with those sliders, and it'll also snap the lights to that color. And then again, just like if we decided that we're going to create a swatch with this color in it, we can just go ahead and hit add swatch at the bottom, and you can see it automatically pops in that extra little circle on the bottom. And the same thing applies, so we can edit it with the, well, we can give it a name with that one, fat fingers today. So you can enter a name if you feel like it. Otherwise, you can delete the swatch if it ends up being a color that you do not like, and it'll delete that. So that the name will fill in over there instead of the color. So that is pretty much RGBW sliders.